Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I am Miss Indecisive. In today's video we're going to be installing this glueless wig from Curlyme, and this is a 20-inch Burmese curly glueless wig. So let's waste no time and get right into the video. Hey lovelies, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be installing, I think this is like my first wig install video on here. This is the 20-inch Burmese curly wig. It's a glueless wig from Curlyme. So I'm going to be putting that on today. I kind of tinted the lace a little bit to match my skin tone. I hope I got that correct. Yeah. So I have the wig cap on. I have a braid down from a previous hairdo. So I just put the wig cap on, and now I'm gonna put this on. So as you can see the spirals here. Basically, I'm just gonna slip it on and adjust the wig band accordingly. Then we're gonna flip it over. Now watch, I'm a little crazy. Anyways, we're gonna just adjust it to where we're gonna wear it. And then I have a combs at the back. You can just stick it in to extra secure the hair. And there's a clip. A clip is at the side here. I'm gonna just clip it in. My hairline is a little low, not too low, but because this wig came pre-cut, so it's literally behind my hairline. So I'm just gonna comb out some of these baby hairs to blend in everything nicely. It's a glueless wig, so you can skip this next step if you don't want to be doing all this. However, I am gonna go ahead and put some mousse on here just so the lace can just blend a little more into my skin. So I'm focusing on the lace, not the hair itself. I'm gonna cut these a bit in the meantime. So this is what the hair is looking like now. Again, this is totally optional. I'm gonna do the same for here. Do the back, so we're gonna just use a hot comb to go through the back, or if it's at the top, some more wax.
Fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me.
I'm gonna put some Masani oil in it. Just a little oil.
Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh. chick. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, ooh. I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, ooh. I just do it my way. God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time to.
So I've finished installing the hair. First off, it's very soft. I love how it is. Like, it doesn't take much to get it ready. I cleaned up the center part a bit with some concealer, and I intentionally did not brush the curls out entirely. I just applied some mousse and some oil, a little oil, not much, and this is how it's looking. So in case you're interested, please check the description box below for the link, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.